Do you know how to do dynamic paint simulation in Blender? If not, don't worry, because that's what we're going to learn in this video. So let's move on to our tutorial. First, go to Add and go to Mesh and add a plane and go to Edit Mode and scale it, and then right-click Subdivide and set the number of subdivides to 25 and then return to Object Mode. After that, add a UV sphere and press Ctrl 2 to apply a subdivision surface modifier to it, and shade smooth. After that, select the plan and go to Physics Properties and click on Dynamic Paint, and then click on Add Canvas and scroll down and select Waves in Surface Type. Then select the UV sphere and go to Dynamic Paint. This time, select the brush instead of the canvas and click Add Brush. After doing all this, press G to select the US sphere and press Spacebar to place the UV sphere on the plane, and you will see that your dynamic waves are ready. Shade smooth to make the waves even better. So this was our video for today. How did you like this video? Let me know in the comment section and subscribe to this channel for more interesting tutorials like this.